This is a 2020 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, one of Harley's premier touring bikes. The color of this Ultra Limited is River Rock Gray Metallic and Vivid Black with a black factory finish. This is a great color combination. You can see the metallic in the River Rock Gray, and then it offsets it with vivid black, and then the bike is blacked out from the factory. Great contrast. This bike is in like new condition. It has only 715 original miles on the odometer. This bike is equipped with a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, so it has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you and your gear and your passenger down the road, power to pass, up and over the hills. Just a great touring bike. Now, me and the Ultra Limited, it has the painted inner fairing, cruise control, heated grips, ABS brakes, traction control, tire pressure monitoring. Nice big 6-gallon tank. So you have a lot of range with this bike. Just a beautiful color. Nice big seat for you and your passenger. Has a plug-in right here for Harley Davidson headset, and then one over here for your passenger. Dual controls over on this side for the passenger, and then the hand controls for the rider. Now, this bike is stock. It has not been modified or altered, so it's ready for you to make it yours, either by adding accessories, or if you want to put an exhaust on it or a stage 1, or just leave it alone and go ride it. Nice big TourPak, black luggage rack, black hinges and latches, LED lights in the back of it. So this bike is very visible from the rear. Just a really great looking metallic color. Six-speed transmission. Security system with the key and the fob. Nice blacked out front end. Black custom Harley wheels. Just a really good color combination, and when you black it out from the factory, that just really gives it great contrast. I'll be in the 2020 limited model that comes with the new GTS BOOM stereo system. That's all color touchscreen, AM, FM, weather band. You can Bluetooth your iPod or music on your phone into the system, or in this little hidden compartment right here, you can plug your device into it and it will integrate it into the system, charge it at the same time, or just Bluetooth your music in. You can control it with the color touchscreen or with the hand controls. Now the only flaw I could find on this bike is on top of the TourPak it has a little bitty surface scratch. It probably came from somebody tying down their luggage. It's very minor. A good detailer could buff it out. Besides that, she is just excellent condition with very, very low miles. For information on how to put this beautiful 2020 Ultra Limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now our prices are out the door. I don't charge any of the dock fees or setup fees or freight fees or what I call the mystery fees. Our prices are out the door. Save yourself thousands of dollars off a brand new one. Give us a call. Thank you.